It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants. Rev up your engine.
Hey guys, this is my 2005 Volvo Xc90 V8 all-wheel drive. It's been in the family for 13 years and still runs like a champ. It's my daily driver. It has a 4.4 liter, 315 horsepower, 325 foot-pound torque V8 engine with an automatic 6-speed Geartronic transmission and Haldex all-wheel drive system. Interior is comfortable and stylish with heated leather seating, wood grain accents and steering wheel, pop-up in-dash navigation, climate control, and my favorite, this presidential phone. Little history: in 2002, after the production of the Xc90, Volvo realized that they needed a high-end SUV to compete with some of the other luxurious SUVs out there. Except, go figure, Volvo cars are designed with a key factor, which is safety before anything. So they couldn't find a block small enough to fit in the reduced engine bay of the Xc90. So in comes Yamaha to the rescue with their B8444S 4.4 V8. This all-aluminum block was mounted transversely in the Xc90 and S80. The engine bay was originally made to house a long, narrow, straight 5 engine, so Yamaha had to merge the banks in a 60-degree angle. This meant that they had to add a balancing shaft so it would run as smooth as common 90-degree banked V8s. I love this car. It's a great daily driver, and what makes it so special to me is its engine. A Japanese-built performance V8 engine in a Swedish metal car. And yeah, it's not the newest, fastest car around. It kind of looks like your common soccer mom car, but once you step on it, believe me, it inspires an interesting reaction. It's fun to drive, safe, comfortable, and reliable, so that's enough to earn my respect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching.
Hi, my name is Karen Sukal, and I am from Trinidad and Tobago. This is my 2002 Toyota Crown, which belonged to my late father, who imported it from Japan used. And I decided to restore it as a memorial after his passing. The Toyota Crown has been produced in Japan since 1955. It is currently a full-size luxury sedan, primarily aimed at the Japanese market. VIP cars are typically large, expensive rear-wheel drive sedans. Some models of these vehicles are equipped with a refrigerator in the back here. So this is the engine room. It's equipped with a 1JZ FSE, which is non-turbo. I have added on some coilovers, and it's a inline 6, 2.5 inline 6.
Well, that was this week's videos, and remember to have your car shown here, and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.